Say good morning. Good morning. Ow, ow. Okay. All right. You want me to say it? You say it. I'm waiting. Kisses. Kisses. Why y'all pushing me? Oh, oh. I smell something. You left a surprise? Is that what it is? Surprise! All right. Let's go clean up that surprise, little bear. Say hey. You got an eye booger, Papa. So, I think I mentioned it before in a previous vlog, but you still have milk by your mouth? He just ate. Or that's drool. Which one? So, I think I mentioned that Zane, what me I look for? Turned 4 months the other day. So I usually take his 4 months pic. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm about to set up. I'm gonna do a Christmas one. So I might use the throw on the couch, and I also have this white rug that I might use. I'm gonna prop him up in front of the, oh, let me get his boppy. Let me get his boppy. And I need some ornaments. I was thinking to take some off the tree, but I know I have extras somewhere. The stone, and I put the ooh. I need the boppy. Can you hold the boppy for mommy? I got the life of a mom. I always got something. Why? And I got his little month signs. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Papa. He won't stay down. Look at the little cheeks. And the matania yay. Okay. All right. Oh, God. My back killed me. Okay. Boppy, check. He's doing it in this thing right here. His little reindeer thing. I need to spruce your hair up a little bit. Jesus God. Usually when I take these, I do it when he just gets out of the shower. But the pot de pass already. All right, so hold on. All right, we need his comb. I mean his brush. And I use comb in my head. His detangler. I think we just need a little bit here. Want to hold that? And his curl thing. All right. Sorry, and I'll zoom up in our face, but camera in my hand, him in my hand, plus me have other things in my hand. Okay. So I need to put y'all down for a little bit. Whew. Okay. Putting it down for a little bit. Yeah? No? Alright. Okay, guys. I need y'all to watch him for a sec, okay? Just watch him for me. Just for a little bit. Come on. Your friend, look. Look. They can see you. They can see you. I'm strapping me in for a sec. Y'all just watch him for me, here. I'm gonna set up. What? You don't like when I snap anymore? No? He finds it so fascinating. Here, hold your brush. No? Hold your brush. Okay. I'm gonna watch him for a sec.
A few moments later.
So we had a little wardrobe malfunction because somebody threw up on themselves. So I changed him. He's just wearing a white onesie and he got his cute little sweater. It's a little big, but you know, I think you can never find any size, so he'll grow into it because we all have ugly sweaters. Well, this is cute, but still. So what I'm gonna do is, where's your brush? All the way over this one. All right, you see the light? We're almost over this one. All right, so let me use his detangler, the Shea Moist Extra Moisturizing Coconut and Hibiscus. Come, Papa. Just revitalizing curl a little bit, you know. Hey, your wappy is currently busy at the moment. And no, this is not hurting him. This makes his hair super soft and, you know, revitalize his curls. See, my girl's hair were the same, and I use this brush because it's better. It reminds me of a Denman brush, but like kid friendly. Because we can't use regular baby brush in a female. He got too much hair. He got too much hair. So then I'll go in with the curling gel souffle. Like I said, I'm just nobody puke on yourself again. And then I didn't move to change it again then. Well, I'm always in the mood to put you in a different outfit, but still. And you just work that in, get the curls popping. Usually I give him a little side part action. Hey, mister. Give him a little side part action. Hey, where y'all go? Hey.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, y'all, he was over that in no time. See, he ain't done. He's tapped out. Come, you want to lay in your spaceship like your sister called it? You might have to play. Want to lay in your spaceship? He was so over it. Wait, what's that? Oh, like something's on the blanket trying to put in your mouth. Yeah, booger in your nose. That's a piece if you can see booger in your nose. All right. I'm tired.
This little boy is so cute.
So, well, hey guys.
You need to make
We're having a little lunch date. Me not know yet. With my girl Ren, predestined for here on YouTube.
It's not as
So
strong, like the smell
I'm
is not
making.
strong.
She's over there. She's right this one.
Zane, you need to have your own channel and your own Instagram.
She's right this one. So you see her in a second. I'm making lunch and we call. She said, all right. Miss, I'm like, we can do lunch, but you know I'm gonna be home. I'll make you lunch. So I'm making her lunch. So for lunch today, we're doing crunch wrap with a side, with fruits. I'm gonna bring her this. I'm gonna bring her this and see. Wait, let me clear the table a little bit.
Zane.
Jack, could you put this over there for me, please?
Zane. I love you.
No, nobody no attention.
Papa
You my team food.
Zane.
My team food.
Zane.
Let me flip this one.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Ooh.
So she'll tell me now. I'm gonna start doing the same thing because sometimes it's just a hassle for doing it on the camera then transfer it to the
Yeah.
Sometimes. Okay. Yes. Watch out. Your wife, I go with things.
It's just a little finger food before you get
But
your.
I'm in a restaurant.
Well, this is La Casa de la
I
Lopez.
started sitting away like yesterday when one of them were watching.
I don't know if I said that right now, but still. I don't know if I said it right, but
What is this? Cheese?
yeah, it's a cheese dip with corn in it.
No, sir, yes, a tush. I don't know if it.
My girl, just take a bit and eat, no?
Do I need chopsticks or something?
No, it's finger food.
Lord of God. No, sir, over here says tush. Jeru?
It's dip. But tell us, may I treat you to lunch? We can't get for go because there's for carrots. It tastes good? Watch out. All right, me soon in that next clip.
Sorry, little baby.
So on the menu, we got a little crunch wrap, a little finger food, some grapes, some blueberries, and some corn dip with some baguette.
Well, let me Instagram so these people can see what we do in the video. So y'all could be mad as hell.
Maybe you want me to make you one too? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna make you one, Jordan.
Make him man vex. So I mean, for real.
Zane, tell TT Ren, thanks for coming for lunch. Thanks
Food
for coming
is
for
nice. Me
lunch.
look a friend.
Much you.
Bougie.
Say
No,
I
baby.
ate. You had lunch? You good now? You had lunch date with TT Ren? Yeah?
All you want to do is drink milk.
No, drink milk and sleep. Well, hopefully sleep. You're not gonna sleep. But thanks for coming, love. Thanks for coming.
No problem.
Drive safe, okay?
I got to go back to work.
I know. Just a quick 1-2. Just a quick 1-2. I know, right? Thanks for coming, love.
This orange door is really nice.
I know my neighbor's door, right? Yeah. Yeah, we had lunch with TT Ren. She had to go. Now it's me and Zany Poe. Daddy had a meeting, so we need to go edit. Are you gonna let me edit? Are you gonna let me edit? Belly full now. You gonna take a nap? Are you gonna take a nap? Nap? No? What's the problem? Oh shoot, man, somebody if you go pick up Layla. All the girls. No, it's not time for the girls to come home yet, but yeah. You know, maybe we just end the vlog right here, so should I? Yeah, because I wanna start the other one. They did them catch up on me. So nothing much happened today. Just chilling with this guy, which is every day. Where y'all go? I burnt my finger when I was making lunch. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna end the vlog maybe here. I don't know much to do. I have to leave pretty soon, but I have to wait until Ja's meeting's over. And I guess I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Say bye.